This is the Demi. The Demi is available as a floodlight, a surface mount, and as a catenary fixture. This fixture has been in the works for 4 years. It's compact, versatile, and will undoubtedly complement any project. The idea initially came to me when I was working in our warehouse department. A few years later, in 2019, our lighting department manager encouraged us to submit any product designs we might have. What I then came up with was a small fixture comprised of the aluminum body of our now discontinued Shasta series and the aluminum seat cap from our Denali. With 9 watts, this is definitely an impressive output relative to its size. There are times when you don't necessarily want to see the fixture, but just enjoy the illumination it brings. For example, in outdoor living spaces under a pergola or gazebo. One of the great things about this fixture is we can work with existing parts, making the process a smooth one in the assembly room. All 3 of our dimming options are available with this fixture. There are 5 cap styles for the floodlight option. There are 3 cap styles for the surface mount and catenary options. All 3 mounting options use the same source and driver. We've minimized the seams on the catenary version and recessed the cord grips to help them blend better into the body to give a cleaner all-around look for the customer. All of the departments within BK Lighting help contribute to the development of this fixture, which allowed us to execute the logistics and bring it to market. Whatever your project needs are, I'm sure there's a place for the Demi.